Alright, so this is going to be our implementation for our little partitioning algorithm. I'm just going to make a few notes here, a couple of diagrams just to help out with our implementation. So, our little program here is going to return a linked list with X being the element that the list gets partitioned around. X is the value. So, write a code that's going to return a linked list, call it a linked list, and this linked list consists of, for simplicity's sake, we can say integers. We can always adapt that, and we're going to call our function partition around integer X. And it'll also take a linked list containing a linked list of integers, right? Integer. Is that the biggest method signature you've ever seen, or what? Alright, so we've got our function. And first, we have to find, well, we already know what the value is. So actually, we can just start from the beginning of the list and say, let's give ourselves a little room here, just in case. For integer I in our linked list, which has no name, we'll call it squiggly L. For integer I in our squiggly L linked list, this is what we're going to do. First, we are going to compare we're going to say if I, or if L, let me take that back. If I is less than X, then we're going to add I to our, what we will call our less than list. less list, add I. 5 less than X, less list, add I. Else, if I is greater than or equal to X, and here's our other squiggly. If I is greater than or equal to X, then our greater list gets the value I. Add it to it as well. And add it to it instead. Otherwise, else, whoops, return null. We shouldn't be here, so that's why say return null. Or we could throw some kind of an error for simplicity's sake. Just be return null. So we're growing our two lists. Eventually, what we are going to want to do actually, it's a bit of a tricky problem. But anyway, once we finish, we need to concatenate these two lists, pretty much. The Java programming language doesn't provide a super easy way to do that as far as I know. Maybe, let's see, Java 6 linked list. Look up the API. Add first, add last, get first, get last. Set, replace the specify elements. Last, text of. Well, essentially, we'll think of some clever way to do it, but we would just do something along the lines of merge list, less list, greater list. So we merge those guys. And our merge, by definition, does this. Merges our list. Oh, of course, we don't want this in the for loop. We want this outside of our for loop. So merge. Merge. Ta-da!